Liz with American Commercial Roofing. So 2 weeks ago, let's say there was a massive hailstorm, a roofer knocked your door, inspected your roof, you filed a claim, and your roof was fully approved for replacement. You're excited to have your roof redone and only pay your deductible. Your representative schedules an install date and the crew comes out to tear off your old roof. But what happens if when they tear off, they discover additional unforeseen damage? Are you going to be out of pocket for these unexpected new costs? Before even starting a project, this should be discussed with your contractor and insurance company. What are your policies if you find new damage? What does my policy cover? If I have to pay out of pocket for something, do you have payment plans or financing available? A reputable contractor should be able to openly and transparently explain the supplementing process and what will happen if you are responsible for any unforeseen expenses. Even with the most detailed inspection, some things can't be seen until the old shingles are torn off. Whether that's rotted decking or structural issues resulting from poor original installation or missing code items that were not required or installed previously. The contractor should start by thoroughly documenting these issues with photos and notes. Depending on the policy and source of the damage, the contractor can supplement with your carrier for the funds to cover these unexpected expenses. If your policy includes code coverage and it is a code compliance issue, your carrier should cover the additional costs to bring your roof to code. However, an issue like rotted decking is usually considered wear and tear, not directly related to a storm or act of God, and is usually excluded in most policies. In this case, your contractor should work with you to establish a viable solution and payment structure that will work for you and protect your roof. Here at American Commercial Roofing, we have lots of experience in this arena. We have supplemented on hundreds of claims and have both financing options and payment plans. Your representative will be sure to discuss these terms and what-ifs when you sign your contract. We are committed to openness and transparency with you from the day we meet to the day we install.